So welcome to another video. Today we're going to see how to extract raw material quantities from CAD, send it to OpenBOM, and then calculate the number of profiles we need for our vendor and manufacturers. So let's see how examples. We have a simple table like this one, and we're going to calculate the total material to make the frame. So this is the main part. So we have a drawing. We have multiple weldment profiles in multiple drawings. The goal here is to minimize the number of part numbers per leg per element. So this is a simple design. You know how many do you need. You don't need to create part numbers for each element to track it or paint it or trace it in different stages, different routing. So in this case, we're trying to reduce the number of part numbers by using the length as the quantity for the raw material. So Solidworks provides this calculation in weldment's cut list. So if you go to properties, you can see the total quantity there. So we required around a little more than 8 meters of total material through all the legs. So we have 4 here plus 2 plus 2, and we have a cut list in a drawing to specify the lengths of cuts. So we are going to also configure Solidworks that the BOM quantity is the total length value over there. And let's see the result if we send this to OpenBOM. Let's go to the main table, assembly, and just going to send it and see the results of these calculations. So we're going also to calculate the number of lengths we have in stock. So this material is sold and transport in 2 meters each, and we want then to see how many do we need or how many do we have in stock versus the total quantity required. So we can see how a good integration with CAD, in this case Solidworks, can really accelerate your automation of multiple designs with different sizes, different measurements, and minimize the need of doing all this manually. So let's see the result, and we have the table extracted. The weldment's cut lists were also extracted. So let's see the result, and we have the cut list there, which is not the main focus. The main focus would be quantity 8.3 meters. We have on hand 6 meters. And here we can see that the raw material size from stock, we can see this from the catalog, that it is in 2 meters each. And we have a calculation for how many do you need, how many do you have in stock, number of material lengths. So we have 3 lengths in stock to make the 6 meters over there. So if we have a production order of this table to make 1, and we calculate how many do we need versus in stock, see how OpenBOM can help you to see how many lengths do you need to order. So let's do that. Let's just calculate this order and then see the result. So here we go. We can update the order, and we have the result. Let's check it out. So we have quantity 8, quantity required 8, quantity on hand 6 meters, quantity gap we have 2 meters that we need to order from suppliers. And note how OpenBOM can calculate the number of lengths required. More than 1, so we'll need to order 2. And this is the ones that we have in stock. So this can be achieved by just a simple formula to calculate the number of sheets per total length. So if you see the configuration of the catalog, just let's have a look and see that item there, and we can just understand better how that was calculated. So let's jump to the catalog, and we'll see that in a second. We'll go through. Let's go to the catalog in a different way. Just go to manufactured items. We have the table there. And this is the material code where we have this calculation there. raw material size. We have 6, and this is the little formula to make that calculation. So see how a very flexible data model, how a good integration with CAD can really accelerate your calculations, the automations for your suppliers. Thank you. See you on the next video.